Hey everyone, Paul Akers with FastCap, an amazing new product, the Flex Bench System. Now this is absolutely awesome. This is called our Max. This is like the total package. We've been developing this for the last year with beta testers all over North America, professional woodworkers testing it on the shop, in their own shop, on the job site, testing it everywhere. It's incredible. Basically, you get two 33-inch workbenches right here. You have your tool storage underneath. You have a tray to put a miter box saw on. You have a place for our best bench system, another bench right here, a router table, and a place for a small portable table saw so you have a runoff. So essentially what we've done is create an entire workshop that can be taken to the job site or in your workshop, and it is absolutely incredible. You can set it up and take it down in literally minutes.
So as you watch Adam set this up, it's so easy because all the components are stored inside of each of the torsion boxes. Set up the sawhorses, set the torsion benches on top of them, cam into place the miter box saw stand, attach the table saw stand at the end, put your saws and miter box saw in place, and you're good to go. It's that simple.
And watch how small it is when it's ready to go in your truck. You won't believe it. You ready? Boom.
So what's great about the system is you can put it on any furniture dolly or any hand cart, and just you have the two boxes that are small and compact. You can roll them around, roll them onto the job site, roll them through a doorway, and get them back in your truck with ease.
It's all set up. This is our new Best Bench flat system that integrates into the system. It's flat. You have the full table access. You have your miter box saw in here. Everything's flush, works perfect. You have your vacuum system underneath. You have lumber storage underneath for all your material as you're cutting it. You have a router table set up. Again, you have your best bench over here. You can make a longer extension table. You have your table saw. This is all cordless stuff, so it's really cool. There's not a lot of cord. Extra runoff tables for that. And you can even put a secondary tray right here. You can put a foreman system in here. You can put a sander. You can put a planer. You can do anything you want. So you have this entire system set up with our bench dog system. We're doing manufacturing, and you have all your tools underneath here. So instead of having all your tools all over the bench all the time, everything goes right underneath like that. And watch this. This is amazing. One person can move the entire system. You can move it around because it's all integrated and tied together. It's just an incredible system. We've spent so much time thinking about this and dealing with all the details. You are going to love this system from FastCap, the new Flex Bench System Max. This is the entire system that you get. Put your saws, your equipment on there, and you're ready to go. You'll never work so efficiently on a job site or in your home shop than you will with this system.
So the entire Flex Bench system is made out of beautiful Russian ply, super straight, super hard, really high quality. It's like furniture grade. Everything's machined at Bellingham, Washington on RCNCs to super high tolerances with dados and rabbets. The whole thing comes flat packed. All you need to do is assemble basically the two torsion boxes and a couple of the trays, and you're good to go. It's just a beautiful system that will allow you to work efficiently and effectively on any job site or in your home shop. It's just wonderful. And the best thing is the whole thing breaks down into two small 33-inch torsion boxes. Everything's stored inside. Everything's compact and super modular. You know, we had so much fun developing this product with our beta testers from all over North America. They knew exactly what this product needed to be like in order to be effective and efficient for them, whether they were working on a job site or working in the home shop. They even came up with clever ways to store the products within the trays. You know, the bottom line is FastCap products are developed by woodworkers for woodworkers. You're going to love this product. You can get yours at fastcap.com.